Alright, here I am, the brand new Xbox One S 2 TB system. I was debating on if I was actually going to pick this up today or not. I had it on hold at GameStop and actually had it paid off, but with the Scorpio coming out next year, I was kind of tempted not to get it. But in the end, I decided, hey, since I already had it paid for, might as well just pick it up. I have a 4K television which will pair nicely with it, whether it's 4K capability. So I'm pretty excited to see what this has to offer. So let's tear into it. Hopefully I do this correctly. It's pretty easy. This is Xbox One. This is a see how to set it up. 6 easy steps. Put the knife away. Don't want to cut myself. Let's see. Slide her on out. Small, little guy. Let's see, before I actually get to the Xbox itself, let's go ahead and see what we have here. Looks like it's the stand. I don't know if you can see that. Try to get in the light a little bit. So it's an interesting setup there. Hopefully that'll be pretty sturdy. I don't know if you can see that. It's Xbox. How to do it. Little picture. Forgive my clumsiness. This is actually the second time I've attempted a unboxing. First time was kind of unsuccessful. I didn't plan accordingly, and I ran out of room on my phone, so that was a fail. Xbox One, typical. Nah, whatever. Let's see, and ooh, the goodies. Give me the good stuff. HDMI cable. This bad boy out of the way. And our new redesigned controller. Kind of excited to check this out. I heard that they kind of redid it a little bit. Gave it a new feel. Oh. Wow, it's got a nice texture to the back. You might not be able to see it really, but that feels really good in the hand. Thumbsticks feel good, but basically the same. A little bit different. I don't know. I'll have to sit it next to my other controllers and test it out, but it doesn't feel as clicky. You know what I mean? So, but nice nonetheless. I think is that it? No, I need one more thing, the power cord. And that is one of the major changes of this new Xbox, is that it doesn't need the big old brick. Power source is all contained within the actual Xbox. So, let's get to that, shall we? Be careful. These guys off here. on out. Nice. As you can see here. Wow, look at that. There's a lot there. A lot of connections there. HDMI out to TV. HDMI in from your satellite or cable. USB 1 and 2. This looks like an audio. Oh no, this is IR out. My bad. And SPDIF. That is for your sound, or optical. And Ethernet cable, and of course the power cord. So this looks sweet. This looks nice. It's really small. It really is small. So good. And another USB in the front here. That's nice. Little tab here. Tempted to pull this off right now. I know that bothers some people to leave it on. Some people prefer to leave it on. It's your choice, really. I can go either way. I kind of like the clean look of it having actually been removed. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take that bad boy off. But yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Not a lot to it. Let me see if I can figure this out real quick. Since we're here, I'm going to go ahead and try to put it on the stand. Hopefully I don't fail miserably. Oh, I hear something rolling around in there. That's not good. I hear something in there. That is definitely not a good sign. Let's see. This, you can see there's little, I don't know if you can see that, little places on the side. I'm trying to get that in the light. You can see it there. This actually slides in. It actually clicks. Wow, nice and solid. And there you go. New Xbox One S. Alright guys, well if you like this video, please like and share. If you want your friends to know a little bit more about what's inside the Xbox One box, the new Xbox One S I should say. And happy 4K gaming everyone. Take care, this is Daft Samurai signing out.